We got amazing trades here with Olymp Trade, real account trading. I got $800 in our balance, and it is optimized with our trading technique and strategies from Ultimate FX Tools. What we will need is a Tradingview platform, which helps us navigate potential trends, alerts and everything you want in just the Tradingview platform. We are using Tradingview for free. If you want advanced and developed scripts and tools, you must have to register and subscribe for monthly fees. See the description below on how to get the Tradingview, plus this trading strategy. What we will do is to find relative arrows from our Flow Algo indicator. Whenever there is an arrow pointing uptrend or downtrend, just wait for a few seconds, and know the status in the Olymp Trade Platform. You can interact each currencies one by one, and wait for good momentum. It requires patience to have a perfect currency pair to trade. To get the indicator, just go to Indicators tab and search for the script. You can also set script alert based on your trading needs. It requires essential member plan for Tradingview and get more tools that is needed for trading. You can change the condition for each alerts. It is essential to get separate signal for buy and sell. We got possible trend reversal with Australian dollar to Japanese yen. A good trading momentum, a possible trend going lower. Let's trade lower. Take note that not all the times you will succeed by relying on the arrow itself. Better to know on how the market works, and you can also have our trading pattern alerts for quick trading, especially trading on Olymp Trade Platform. You can also combine other related indicators, or your favorite one to make your trade perfect, with less risk. Just try to avoid greediness and make daily target profit. Got good trading result. Euro to US dollar has a good momentum here, waiting for the arrow to generate and alerts us. As we can see on our Olymp Trade chart, it is in its balanced state. This has a higher chance to get a win for 1-minute trade. We can also see on its technical, and says that it is in neutral state. We will wait for its confirmation. A green arrow appear. Let's trade with it. Got good trading result for our Euro to US dollar trade. We got good trading spot for Euro to Australian dollar. Let us wait for its confirmation. Then it is the best chance to trade for it. It creates a long uptrend. It's the best chance to trade for higher. Australian dollar to US dollar is a good spot to trade. Let's go trade for it. got loose on that trade, but we will double our trade on the next confirmation to recover our loss. Euro to US dollar, a good spot here, with less fluctuations on its price market.